Welcome, boys and girls of all ages, to the first episode of SciCraft. Please give a round of applause to our two intelligent scientists, Metalloid Matt and Krypton Kevin, and their chemist, Dumnium Dante. This episode will be talking about chemical bondings, reactions, and formulas. Today we have a special test subject, and please welcome Eric Arkillian.
Boo! You suck!
So how is everyone doing? Okay. Anyway,
Wait, but first, we do not recommend trying anything at home. So, Professor Metalloid, please tell us about chemical bondings first.
well, chemical bonds are an interaction that holds atoms or ions together.
How does this happen?
When electrons in an atom with a negative charge are shared, gained, or lost, these bonds occur, meaning atoms bond with each other to help create things we use every day.
Sir, what is an atom?
An atom are what makes up everything around you. These atoms are made up of protons, positive charge, neutrons, no charge, and electrons, like stated earlier, negative charge. Atoms are a basic unit to, well, everything. This is an example of how atoms look like.
Well, if that's the case, I'll take it from here. There are three different types of bonds, and each bond has its own characteristics. The three kinds of chemical bonds are ionic, covalent, and metallic bonds. Ionic bonds are bonds that happen when a metal and nonmetal combining transfers electrons. Covalent bonds are bonds that is between two or more nonmetals when they share electrons, while metallic bond is a bond that is between two or more metals and electron rings.
Wow, that is interesting. Wait, then where does chemical reactions come in place?
Well, now we shall answer your question. Chemical reactions is a process by which one or more substances change to produce one or more different substances. A sign that shows that a chemical reaction is occurring is called a precipitate. Examples of precipitates are bubbles, heat, light, and electricity.
The changing of leaves and baking a cake are examples of chemical reactions.
Well, if you guys are gonna explain everything, what is the point of me?
Now is where you come in. It is now time for chemical formulas. Chemical formulas show what each compound is made of. It tells how much of each element is needed to create a new compound. But the amount of each atom must be specific. Did I hear a question?
Yes. Why does it have to be specific?
There is just one of an atom, just one. It can create a whole new different compound. Here's the fun. We shall give our subject two different examples of what different formulas can do, because if there is just one more atom, it is a whole new different compound. The formula for water is H2O, meaning there are one hydrogen atom and two oxygen atoms. By adding one more, just one hydrogen atom creates something new. Now, Eric, please drink the water first, then our chemist Dumnium Dante will create our second substance.
Wait, what? Nothing happened.
Now I will start brewing up the second substance. H2O and H2O2 are two different substances where one of them can be harmless or deadly.
Wait, what?
Anyway, I will describe what is in a chemical formula. The H stands for hydrogen and the O represents oxygen. These are called the reactants. The 2's are the subscripts, and the H2O is water, and the H2O2 is poison.
At that moment, Eric knew mistakes were made.
Uh-oh, man down. Are you okay, Eric? Oh my god, someone get him out of here.
Eric's A-okay. Someone stop filming.
Well, that is all the time we have, folks. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Eric Kellian, for being our first test subject. Thank you all. What each compound is made of. It tells how much of each element is needed to create a new compound, but the amount of atoms must be I need to go to ESL.
Yes, you do.